In this video, we'll be exploring the Devices page within the new EasyLog Cloud. This page gives you a complete view of all your devices in your account. Unlike the dashboard, which is designed to show you your favourites and any devices that need your attention, the Devices page is designed to show you your full fleet of devices within your account. Much like the dashboard, each of your devices is displayed in a card, giving you useful information at a glance. From the card view, you can quickly see your device health, connectivity status, and any latest readings. You'll also notice the embedded charts on each of the cards. These provide a quick snapshot of the latest trends and readings. Each card contains multiple tabs that let you view different types of information. For example, this tab shows recent readings from the device, and this tab shows summary information including data about the device and any probes connected to it. In this example, you can see this device has both a temperature probe and a humidity probe connected. The Devices page also includes a compare view. The compare view allows you to place two charts side by side so you can compare trends or identify differences between devices more easily. There is also a combined compare view. This allows multiple data sets to be overlaid onto a single chart so related readings can be viewed together. There is also a list view available. The list view provides a simpler overview of all devices without the additional chart information. This can be especially useful if you've got a large amount of devices on your account, because you can easily scan through the data to identify important information. From here, you can also open individual cards so you can access more detailed information about that device. This takes us onto the device detail page.